Happy birthday Ate Eli. Salamat sa pag-book ng flight.
Happy birthday, Eli!
Tara na dito.
Happy birthday, Eli! Sana magkita na tayo.
Yo, what's up, Eli? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Eli!
Happy birthday, Eli! From SM Sukat.
Hi Eli, happy birthday to you. I hope you have a great day and more blessings.
Hello, Almira. Happy birthday. Happy 29th birthday. God bless you. Momwa.
Hi Almira! Kamusta na? It's been a long time since nung huli tayo magkausap. As far as I can remember, kinder pa tayo noon. And naalala mo ba yun? Yung muntika mo pa akong saksakan ng labi. So, it's been a good old days. And happy birthday. And I hope you all the best. I hope you enjoy this day. And see you very soon. Bye-bye!
Hello, Almira. Happy 29th birthday. Bless you and more birthdays to come.
Hi Eli! Good morning! Happy birthday! Greetings from Japan! Sana magka-jowa ka na at sana ma-schedule natin yung jogging natin for the healthy lifestyle!
Hello, Ate Eli. Happy birthday po. Grabe. Parang dati lang po, kayo po yung nagtuturo sa akin at nag-guide sa akin nung college ako. At ngayon po, nakakatuwa man lang din kasi eto na, nag-work na rin po ako. Kundi dahil nga po sa inyo, kayo po naging inspiration ko nung nag-aaral ako nung college. At nung nakapagtapos ako, laking pasasalamat ko po sa inyo. Sana po makita po tayo ulit sa susunod. Alam ko po, pares tayong busy sa mga work natin. Ako rin po, busy rin po ako. Pero sana po, makapag-coffee po tayo at catch up po. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. See you soon po. Bye-bye po.
Hi Almira!
Hi Almira. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Wishing you all the best.
Thank you dahil ikaw ang naging kupido sa aming love story.
Jogging tayo soon.
Yan tayo soon. Invited ka sa
Kasal
namin. God bless.
God bless.
Happy birthday ulit.
Birthday.
Happy birthday, Eli! Inuwan na ulit to. Thank you sa mga advice sa buhay,
Happy birthday, pre. Sana magbago na yung buhay natin. Di na tayo mag-snatch.
Hi, Eli.
Gozaimasu.
Happy birthday. Our greetings from Itabashi, Japan. Gusto namin magpasalamat kasi hindi namin makakalimutan yung support na pinrovide mo sa amin para makarating kami dito sa Japan. So, ayun, God bless you. Mag-iingat ka palagi.
God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hi Eli, happy birthday. How long has it been? 5 years? So, ayun, the last memory that we have is yung pinakilala mo kay tita. Nakakahiya kasi hindi pa ako ready that time, pero naduwag ako, sorry. I know it's your 29th birthday, pero gusto ko malaman mo na nandito pa rin ako. Maghihintay ako. I wish you all the best in life. Kung hindi man ako ang piliin mo, ang gusto ko lang sana is for you to always have a good health. And of course, more blessings to come. To always have a good wealth for this year. Siyempre, simula pa lang ng taon. And nandito lang kami palagi na barkada natin for you. I miss you so much and sana kung mapagbibigyan ng pagkakataon, bakit hindi? Mag-iingat ka palagi and gusto kong malaman mo na nakaalala lang ako dito. If you know the song Kundiman by Silent Sanctuary, that's my song for you. Mag-iingat ka palagi and happy birthday again. Enjoy your day!